name is A. Hemant. I am studying 8th class.
My name is J. Kropavarma. I am studying 8th class.
This project name vehicle tracking and alcohol detector with engine locking system using GPS.
Purpose of the project.
Nowadays we see and hear a lot of accidents caused due to drunken driving by drunken drivers. Drunken drivers will no longer be in solid construct as so rash driving.
On this undertaking, we decide to develop an automatic engine locking system for drunken drivers. I am using for my project materials motherboard and relay, Arduino board, MQ3 sensor, batteries, tire, motor.
All